Take any A4 size white cardstock and mark at 3 inches, 6 inches and 9 inches and join the lines. Cut the excess paper. Now score the lines. Now mark at 0.5 inches from the both sides of the envelope and score these lines as well. Now cut the paper as shown in the video. Now mark at 1 inches from the low back side, from the downside of the envelope and cut it as shown. Now similarly cut the other side of envelope like the previous cut. You can leave this step if you can take the other measurements as well. I took basic measurements. Now apply glue on the envelope. Now take a pattern paper and pasting it on the front side of the envelope. Now I am taking a paper of 6.5 inches by 2 inches and make 1 centimeter margins on the side, all the sides of the paper. For making a shaker element, I am cutting the center of the paper. Now paste acetate sheet on the paper. I am applying double-sided tape. I am applying 2 layers of double-sided tape. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can use cardboard or chipboard as well. Now put some sequences inside this shaker frame. And paste it like this. Now I am taking a twine thread and going to paste this on the back side of the envelope so that we can tie this envelope easily. All the papers and this twine thread I used is from Dress My Craft. Now I'm going to add some flowers, leaves and foliages. The leaves are hand cut by using a sharp blade. I firstly draw the leaves and then I cut them with the sharp scissor. I'm using some mulberry flower, paper flower and some motif sheets. Now apply these all the flowers and foliages on the front side of the envelope. Our envelope is ready. Now similarly make envelope base as I did in the first envelope and paste pattern paper on the front side of the envelope. Now I am taking square cutouts. You can cut squares. These are small squares. Now take double-sided tape and cut it a little bit smaller than the size of the squares. Now paste the double-sided tape on the back side of the squares. Now arrange the boxes or squares on the envelope like this as shown in the video. The envelope will look like this. Now take any tiered paper. I'm pasting the tiered paper on the envelope like this. Now I'm taking some die cut stickers or motif sheets and arranging them on the front side of the envelope. Take paper of 2 inches by 3 inches. You need two paper of 2 inches by 3 inches so that you can paste this paper here on these flaps like this. Now take pattern paper of this size and paste them like. Now I am taking these tags to paste here. Now I pasted a vellum pocket on a cardstock and paste this pocket on the inside of the envelope. Inside this pocket you can add money for Raksha Bandhan as it is a Shagun envelope or money envelope, or you can add some cards and photos or any sentiments. I've added some best wishes sentiment here. Now take paper of 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. You need two of them and paste them here like this. I have added pattern paper on the each flap that we created and a magnet and a button so that we can close it easily. And now I'm adding pattern paper on the outer side of the envelope as well. I'm using a twine thread. You can use ribbon as well. Our envelope is ready. You can paste pictures inside the envelope or you can add pop-up elements as well. So you can paste picture in each space of the envelope and add. I hope you enjoy watching this envelope tutorial. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any latest video updates.